I want to make sure that you are also in front of a group of your peers. So all of you, you're not allowed to do this by yourself. You have to do this in a class. Not with students, but with each other. I want to see exactly how you teach and interact with each other. I want to see how well you're asking questions. I want to see how well your class is responding to your questions. I want to see how you're handling all the dynamics of an actual classroom. If you're in the classroom and you're one of the people watching, don't ask a ton of questions. I don't want you to lead the lecture in any way. Answer the person's questions, but don't ask a whole bunch of questions. I know you know the answers already. So, and this is really much more about seeing how well you teach. So the first lesson that you're going to do, at least 10 to 15 minutes, a presentation, only the cognitive part, only the presentation, the part where we're talking to the students and we're working on the whiteboard. I want to make sure that you have fully prepared for your lessons. I want to make sure that you have read the curriculum and that you have taken notes and that you've written questions, you have prepared the summary, you have done every aspect of what we are asking of you guys as teachers. I want to see it. I want to see how well you're teaching. That will be the first one. Once I receive the first one, then you're going to do a second one. The second one, you're actually going to do a demonstration. This still requires you to do the cognitive board work. It can't be the same lecture. It can't be the same lecture that anybody else did. Everyone has to do different lectures. The board work has to be done as well. The full presentation, including the motivation. We really want to prepare ourselves well. And we want to make sure that we then move and transition into a full demonstration. And I want to be able to see what's happening with the demonstration. I'm not so interested in being tight on the face. I don't need that. I want to see you and how you interact with the classroom and with the model. I want to see how you're standing in front of the model. I want to see every aspect of the process as if I were sitting there in class. I'm going to be giving you guys feedback on this. I really want to see, exactly how you teach, and then I want to be able to offer my comments and help you any way I can. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to call me or write me, and I will, get the answers to you as well. I think I have mentioned everything. It's important when you do this that you pretend this is an actual class. I really want to see how well you can teach the subject matter.